That is some serious growth.
What's going on, guys? This is Carson, and this is an awesome transformation you're not going to want to miss. This one's short but way more edited, so let me know if you like this type of style. Make sure to subscribe because we're getting closer and closer to 1,000 subs, but I'll go ahead and talk to you after the transformation's over. Enjoy.
Thank you guys for watching. This has been Clean with Carson. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, guys. Thank you.